Are you struggling to choose a good window or door? The right windows and doors not only enhance the beauty of your home, but also bring comfort and safety. Today, we will introduce how to choose the right windows and doors for you, and why PHONPA windows and doors are ideal for you. PHONPA offers many types of windows and doors to meet your different needs. We have Champion Era Series windows, Asian Games Series windows, and so on. You can choose classic casement windows, minimalist sliding doors and windows, or more space-efficient hanging doors. There are also ventilated windows designed for ventilation. Each is carefully designed to ensure the perfect combination of function and aesthetics. The waterproof and soundproof performance of doors and windows is the key to living comfort. PHONPA windows and doors have undergone rigorous waterproofing tests and are able to maintain good sealing and prevent rainwater infiltration in inclement weather. At the same time, their excellent soundproof effect allows you to enjoy peace indoors, away from the interference of external noise. When choosing windows and doors, we should also pay special attention to the quality of hardware materials. You may ask, what is hardware salt spray test and what is it used for? In fact, hardware salt spray test is an important standard to assess the corrosion resistance of door and window hardware. And PHONPA windows and doors use high-quality hardware fittings, which have gone through a strict salt spray test. Compared with ordinary hardware, they can resist the corrosion of external humidity and other environments and maintain long durability. As you can see, the high-quality hardware materials of PHONPA have higher security and durability, which are strong guarantee for your home life. PHONPA windows and doors are not only strictly controlled in product design and material selection, but also able to complete mass production efficiently. With advanced production equipment and strict quality control system, each PHONPA door and window is made with fine craftsmanship and strives for perfection. We believe that only through strict quality control can we provide our customers with the best quality products. Whether you're looking for beauty, performance, or durability, PHONPA windows and doors will meet your needs. PHONPA windows and doors have always been committed to providing customers with high-quality products and services. Is your trusted partner. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.